In today's video, I'll show you how to add transactions step by step in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, learning this process will help you keep your books organized and your finances accurate. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, click Sign In the top right corner, enter your email and password. Then click Sign In to access your account. If you ever forget your credentials, QuickBooks offers easy recovery options right below the sign-in fields. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard where you can see your company overview. From here, locate the Customers and Leads section in the left-hand navigation menu. Click it, then select Customers. This area is where all customer interactions and transactions are managed. You'll see a list of your customers here. Scroll through and click on the specific customer for whom you'd like to add a transaction. Doing this ensures that the transaction is linked to the correct customer record. Inside the customer's profile, you'll notice a button labeled New Transaction. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. You can choose from several options like invoice, booking, payment, estimate, or sales receipt, depending on what you want to record. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating an invoice as an example. When the invoice window opens, start by entering the invoice date, payment terms, and any other relevant information at the top. Then, move to the Product Service section. This is where you'll list the goods or services you've provided to your customer. In each row, fill in the product or service name, quantity, receipt, and applicable tax or discount if needed. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the subtotal and total amount due at the bottom of the form, saving you time and minimizing errors. If you'd like, you can also add notes or a message for your customer, such as payment instructions or a thank you note. Once everything looks correct, take a moment to review the invoice carefully. Double-check the amounts, customer name, and due date to ensure all details are accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save and Send at the bottom right. This not only saves the transaction to your QuickBooks records, but also gives you the option to email the invoice directly to your customer. It's a quick and professional way to handle your billing without switching between platforms. And that's it. You've successfully added a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Whether it's an invoice, payment, or expense, following these steps ensures every transaction is recorded properly and your financial data stays up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other QuickBooks guides to keep improving your accounting skills and managing your business more efficiently.